Hello, this is Dr. Rich Lee, and in our previous video, there weren't turkeys in the background, but in our previous video, we were discussing the need to obtain your raw data file from 23&Me, and I did it in the presence of this lovely Icelandic horse mare in the background, who's a very rare genetic gene called the blue dun gene. Well, this fellow here, his name is Gleiser, which is Icelandic for grand, and he has half that gene, meaning he doesn't turn blue or turn brown. He stays this color, but he does have the dark mane and the dark tail and legs and the black racing stripes. So he's half done. Anyway, so much for horse genetics. Regarding your genetics, again, what you need to do is to obtain your raw data file from 23&Me. And if you don't know how to do that, you start by logging into your account and then pull down a menu from the right-hand side and click on the word resources. Then that'll take you to a page where you can browse your DNA data. And when you click on that, it takes you to another page where you can request to download it. But you need to click on a little box that says, I agree to the terms of that, and then click on submit the request. And in your email should come within hours or maybe days, the raw data file, which is a 16 megabyte text file. It's all about a bunch of letters and numbers that are rather random, and the real value in those are those who can interpret that. So hopefully there'll be other companies out there that are more safe and reliable for interpreting your data. FYI, I'm working on one as well, but I'm making sure it's going to be very accurate and give you a lot of useful information. But in the meantime, grab that data, hang on to it, and then you don't have to worry about it being used elsewhere. Then you could ask, by the way, to have it deleted. So in the meantime, don't worry, be happy, and enjoy the nature and outdoors.